Okay guys, for this particular effect, you are going to require a pack of playing cards. It's not a gaff deck, it can be any deck, and you are going to need the help of 2 spectators, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and give these cards a mix, and then you'll turn to spectator number 1 and say, if you would, go ahead and cut off about 1/3 of the cards, cut off about half of what's left, and then we'll go ahead and stack those cards up, okay? Now I'm gonna dribble the cards. I want you to call out stop whenever you would like, and I want you to remember the card. So let's say they stop us right here. I'll turn my head and look away. Remember the card and do not forget it. And we're going to drop those back into the middle, okay? I want you to think about the color, the suit, and the value of your card, if you would, for me, and just try to burn the image of that card into your brain, okay? Have you done that? Excellent, okay. Don't forget the card. I'm going to come back to you in just a moment, all right? I'm now going to turn to spectator number 2, and I want you to think of any number between 1 and 52, okay? I'm going to give you the deck of cards, and I want you to spread through the cards to your number and remember the card that falls at your secret number. So if you're thinking of 5, you're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember the card at your number. In this case, it's the 4 of hearts, and then spread past it to kind of camouflage that so I don't know exactly where you stopped or which card you looked at. Okay, does that make sense? So I'm going to go ahead and give the cards a cut just to give you a fresh position to begin with, and then if you would, think of your number and go ahead and spread through. So let's say they think of the number 18. Okay, just it can be any number, and they're not going to tell it to you. They're just thinking it in their brain. They're then going to count over to the 18th card and remember that card. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The 18th card is the 2 of hearts. They're going to remember 2 of hearts. They're going to spread past it to camouflage their selection, and then they're going to square everything up and table the deck. Okay? If you would, go ahead and give the cards a cut and complete the cut. And at this point, I am going to make an open prediction. My prediction is 49. 49 is my prediction, okay? Go ahead and pick up the cards, start dealing them face up one at a time, and when you get to your card, stop. Okay, so they're gonna deal, and they're gonna stop right there. Is that your card, the 2 of hearts? That's a perfect prediction. Remember, I said 49. 49 is, in fact, the 2 of hearts. You don't believe me, do you? Let me prove it to you. 49 is a 2-digit number, 4 and 9. If I count to the 4th card, 1, 2, 3, 4 cards down, I get a heart. You see, that tells me the card you're going to think of is going to be a heart. And I said a 9, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9, and that card happens to be a 2. So I have a 2 and a heart. 49 tells me before you even think of the card that you're going to select the 2 of hearts. Pretty incredible, right? Now here's what's really crazy. You thought of a number. Nobody knows the number. For the first time, what's the number that you were thinking of? 18? 18. And you thought of a card, and nobody knows the card that you were thinking of, right? We're going to count down to the 18th card and see if it's the card you're thinking of. Let's find out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is number 18. For the first time, what's the card you just thought of at the beginning of the trick? And hopefully they say the 4 of diamonds. That's a thought of card at a thought of number. As the magician, you genuinely don't know the number that they're thinking of the entire time. This is called Beyond Reloaded, and it is by Guglielmi. Till next time, guys. Take care.